humbled leather.
Yo, what's good? It's General 315, man. I'm here. I haven't put a video up in a minute, but here we go. I got a new shoe for y'all. Got these joints right here. Hopefully y'all can see them right here. It's a little light coming through right here, so I'm gonna try and it's a little bit too much light actually. Let me dim this down a little bit, just a little. Go, maybe. Hopefully y'all can see this right here. This is the Jordan 4 Reimagined joints, y'all. These are fire, very clean. Basically just a Jordan 4 Bred with leather. I mean, really simple stuff, you know what I'm saying? Nothing really too crazy. You do have, oh look, that came off a little bit, but look at that. You got the black instead of that like orange type tag right there. Real dope, nice, you know what I'm saying? Real cool, real smooth. You got black laces. I didn't see any extra laces with these joints. Nice leather right there. You guys will see that in the on-foot close-up pictures right there. Y'all can see that probably, maybe. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go down. Right here, y'all can kind of see that leather. It's nice leather. You know what I'm saying? It's not like Jordan 1 premium leather or nothing like that, but it's nice leather. You know what I'm saying? You got the Nike Air in the back still. Right there. Real clean. There's your outsole right there. Still the same. It's the same shoe, y'all. It's the same shoe. It's nothing different. You know what I mean? Like I said, nothing different. Same stuff. Just leather. You know what I'm saying? Just leather. I could see some white laces being in these, or maybe gray. That'd be probably fire. Definitely not red. Maybe yellow might be nice in these too. Not really sure. Y'all tell me how y'all would freak it. I'll give y'all a better close-up when I get out the car. But mind you, it is brick out here. It is brick. It's probably like 20 degrees. And earlier this morning, I was going to do an on foot, but I decided to come to the outlet instead because I wanted to check out the Nike outlet and see what they had. But it's brick, y'all. It's definitely cold. Just stay warm out there. But yeah, these are dope. If I had to rate these, I mean, it's a Bred. It's a Jordan 4, but it's leather. We haven't had a leather Bred before. So I'm kind of like, this is giving 9-10 vibes for me personally, because I like leather shoes. It really reminds me of the Oreos, the Oreo 4s reminds me of that. This type of leather, it's like very similar. You know what I'm saying? Similar leather, but it's something about leather 4s. Like I just like 4s with leather on them. Nothing against the suede, but I do like the leather 4s. But it's definitely nice. Look at that. Everything looks good. I'll give y'all one more once around right here, just to spin it for y'all. There's the medial side right there. Okay, there's some laces right there for y'all. There's the Jumpman. Let me let y'all get that Jumpman real quick. There's our Jumpman with the flight. Cool, looking good. Got the Air Jordan in the back right there. Not bad. No shoe tree, just got the paper right here. And then there's the inside right there with the Nike Air. So definitely just retooled, same shoe, retooled. That's it. You know what I'm saying? So I hope this is informative for y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on the Instagram, the YouTube page. I haven't been as active. I've been real busy. I've been working a lot, but I am still here and I'm present. So just hit me up if y'all got questions. That's all I got, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all just stay humble. Y'all stay blessed. And I'll see y'all in a minute. Deuces.